Here are some of the things that really blew my mind about the book Sell Like Crazy by Sabri Suby. It will really help you make sales. First of all, nothing in life comes without hard work. Nothing is given to you. You don't get what you deserve. You get what you push, shove, scratch, and work your ass off. His mother taught him firsthand that having a strong work ethic is the number one determining factor for success. 2. Put in the work every day. Do something you don't want to do first thing every morning. Challenge yourself to be uncomfortable and push past mediocre, the laziness, and the fear. Forge your work ethic and exercise it like a muscle. Strengthen it, build it, be relentless in your approach towards success. No marketing hack, sales funnel, or software can make you successful if you're not going to do the work. Don't wait for someone to make it happen for you. It's on you. That's why I'm telling you all of this. Not because I want you to know how hard I work, but because I want you to know what you have to do for yourself to be successful in whatever path you choose. Discipline, structure, rules, rituals, planning. These are the frameworks for success. Yeah, these are not attractive things in today's world of instant gratification. The average person reaches for the latest hack or loophole to attaining success with the least amount of work possible. However, that is a fool's errand and will leave you broke. In business and in life, there are a multitude of factors outside of your control. How well funded your competitors are, the size and experience of their team, when they got started in business, their joint venture partners. All those things are outside of your control. The thing that is within your control is how hard you work in anything you do. To work hard takes no special talent, luck, or exceptional resources. You simply just have to be willing to put in the work and to do it. There are no excuses. It's no one else's fault. It's all on you. When you make a mistake, don't look for excuses. Don't blame other people. Own it 100%. Your self-control is what will distinguish you from all the others. It's what will give you the ability to show up every day. Whether it's at gym, at school, building your business, making money, or training in martial arts, it's doing what no one else is willing to do so you can achieve what they won't. That's what comes from conquering your little bitch and forging your self-control and discipline. Your hunger and drive must be blazing so big, so bright, and so furious that no one can deny it. You must crave success so intensely that the work it takes to attain it is irrelevant. Fall in love with the work itself, not just the result. Learn to enjoy the excruciating pain. You must endure to be successful. Success isn't just talent. Talent will help get you started, but it won't get you to the promised land. You have to create a work ethic that ensures you become successful. Hard work and effort will beat talent 99% of the time. Put in the work to ensure your success. Don't look for shortcuts. Don't make excuses. People are always asking me about the secrets and growth hacks I use to grow businesses. Sorry if this disappoints you. There are no secrets. Yes, there are strategies, tactics, and